Print Tonic Professional features preview. This product's going to be released end of September 2018. This is just a quick overview of what it can do. Say if you've got a document here that you want to print page 1 to tray 1 and page 2 onwards to tray 2, for example, and keep it as one print job on the output. Now to do this, you assign setting 1 to page 1, which can be to any page, but in this case I'm on page 1. I set the printer that I want to use. So in this case I want to set it to A4, and I want one-sided print for the first setting for page 1. So that's set now. So now I'm going to setting 2. Now for setting 2 I'm going to assign it to page 2. So this is a preview of page 2. I'm going to set the tray to page 2. And in this case I'm going to print the rest of the document two-sided. So page 1 will be printed one-sided, and page 2 will be printed two-sided print onwards. So you can change any of these settings at page level, and also you've got all the finishing features on your printer as well. So first of all I'm going to do a preview. So as you can see, what it does, it puts some red text at the top of the pages what are going to be assigned. So you can see setting 1, page 1, tray 1, and it's going to do it simplex. And then I go down onto page 2, you can see it's got setting 2, page 2, tray 2, and the settings for that with duplex. So that's now ready to go, so I'm just going to click print. Done. So look on the printer now, you've got one PuttScript file there waiting to print, and that does everything. Page 1, tray 1, page 2 almost, tray 2. So that's a quick sample feature. You can also do text matching within a document. So say if you've got an invoice that you want to print page 1 on tray 1 and then page 2 onwards on tray 2, for example, you can do that. Just click browse to our example. So it's in our Print Tonic Professional, and it's INVOICE example. So I can see that's previewed here. So in this case I want to do a text match. So I'm going to view the document so you can see it larger. So I want to text match page 1 in this case, and then I want to text match page 2 for tray 2. So what I do, I want to type in page 1. So as you see, it's found that one. So if, for example, I typed in page 2, then you can see it's actually matched page 2, and so on. So page 1 for that. Now for setting 2, I'm going to do page 2, and I'm going to do a page text match. Make sure that's checked so it matches that page. So you can see that it's set for page 1, tray 1, page 2 for tray 2. So it'll match every page 1 and page 2 within the document, and assign the settings for that, and then you just click print. And that's done. You can look at the printer, and you can see the INVOICE example PuttScript file, all in one print job. There's no splitting up, it's all in one print job. You can also change the page range, so say if you only want to print the first 2 pages of a document. You can also print in batch mode. So click on prepare batch list. In this case I'm going to put 2 files in the same. You can also append them together. So say if you've got 10 small invoice files what you want to print as one print, you can do that. You can also put in other file types other than PDF, like Word document files, and what happens is it converts the docs to PDF first, and then it does the other things like appending on to one, so you can have a mixture of documents and PDF documents all in one list. So in this case I'm going to append all into one. These settings aren't right for that. I'm going to do setting 1 for page 1, setting 2 for page 2, and then click print. Process batch list, yes. You can see it's done the append. And now close, and if I look at the print queue, you can see that it's got a merged PostScript file there ready to print. So that's pretty straightforward. You can also do bookmark text matching. So if you've got a PDF with bookmarks in, you can match on those. And that's it for now. Just look out for it at end of September 2018. Give it a try.